What if I told you that you can build a website or even a full app without writing code, just by describing what you want? And no, this is not the future. This is happening right now. There's a new movement called vibe coding, and it's exploding. People are building real products faster than ever using AI as their co creator. So today, I'm going to show you one of the most interesting platforms in this space, Base 44, and why it might completely change how you think about building online. Hey, if we haven't met already, welcome to Run Post MB. I'm the digital avatar of Mindaugas Baciulis. While he helps people achieve their goals, I bring you AI updates that actually matter. Share your thoughts. MB reads and replies to every comment. So, what is vibe coding? Vibe coding is basically building software by describing your idea instead of manually coding it. You focus on what you want, not how to code it. Instead of, I need to write front end, back end, database logic, you just say, I want a landing page with a pricing section and sign up form. And AI helps you build it. Why is this trending right now? Because AI models became powerful enough to understand intent, tools became visual and interactive. Speed is insane. What used to take days now takes minutes. And most importantly, it lowers the barrier to entry. You don't need to be a developer anymore to create something real. I'm using a Base 44 over the past few months. It is a platform built exactly for this new way of creating. It allows you to build websites, create apps, make automated tools, and use AI to guide the entire process all in one place. Think of it as a combination of no-code builder, AI assistant, and development environment, but simplified. The goal is simple. Turn your idea into a working product as fast as possible. Let's start with websites. As you can see on the screen, the process is very straightforward. You don't start with code, you start with an idea. You describe what kind of page you want: landing page, portfolio, product page, and Base 44 helps generate the structure. From there, you can adjust sections, modify layout, tweak content, all visually. And what's important, you're not stuck. You can iterate fast, change headline, see result instantly, add section, done in seconds. This is where vibe coding really shines. It's not about perfection, it's about speed and iteration. Now let's move to apps. This is where things get even more interesting. As you can see in the background, you can go beyond simple pages and actually build functional applications. We're talking about user flows, interactive elements, logic. And again, without traditional coding. You define what the app should do, and the platform helps you structure it. Instead of writing back-end logic manually, you guide the system. This makes it incredibly powerful for MVPs, prototypes, quick product validation. You can go from idea, working app much faster than before. But here's the biggest thing, and honestly, the most exciting part of Base 44. It has an integrated AI agent, and not just a basic assistant. We're talking about something closer to a co-creator. AI doesn't just answer questions, it actively helps you build. It can suggest improvements, generate structures, fix issues, guide your next steps, and this is where super agents come in. Instead of you figuring everything out yourself, you collaborate with AI. You can ask for changes, refine ideas, iterate faster. It's like having a developer, designer, and strategist in one. And the biggest advantage, you don't get stuck. There's always guidance. This dramatically reduces the friction of building something from scratch. Honestly, tools like this are changing the game. Like a year ago, building something like this would feel complicated, maybe even impossible if you're not technical. Now it's more like you have an idea, you open Base 44, and you just start building. That's the shift. It's not about knowing everything anymore. It's about starting. And if you've been thinking about launching something, testing an idea, or just playing around with AI, this is probably one of the easiest ways to do it right now. You can try it for free. Literally just sign up and start building. And if you use my link in the description, you'll also get extra AI credits so you can actually test things properly without hitting limits too fast. Just try it. Build something small. You'll immediately see how different this feels. If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for my channel Run Post MB so you don't miss AI updates that actually matter.